Welcome to another episode of the Tech Rundown. Today we're taking a closer look at Starlink Gen 3. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos.
Gen 3 Starlink, what comes in the boxes, and also what Vivo Asia does as a value addition when we supply this Gen 3 Starlink to our marine and offshore clients. Two boxes, and the first box here is a wedge mount. So basically it includes this very clear instruction on how to mount the Starlink on a boat. So when we supply this to larger vessels, we're going to have, this is the Starlink antenna, which is the outdoor unit. Okay, and it's exactly the same dimensions as the Gen 2 unit. In addition to the antenna, we have a number of cables and the power supply unit. And a very clear difference is that in the Gen 2 shipment, there used to be a Wi-Fi router. And in Gen 3, we don't have that Wi-Fi router. And instead, it's just this power supply unit, the cable kits. So this cable is the cable that runs from this antenna unit, which is outdoor, to the indoor power supply. This can be mounted indoor, or this can be mounted outdoor in a junction box. I will show that later. And this cable can be bought in an 8-meter configuration or 25-meter configuration. And there are a number of interconnecting cables for you to connect the power supply and the modem to your own switch.
Now let's talk beyond the box. What exactly Starlink Gen 3 is, and a few insights. Starlink Gen 3 is designed for network integration. It's not a standalone Wi-Fi. Unlike earlier versions, Starlink Gen 3 is built to be a part of a large network rather than acting as a simple plug-in and play Wi-Fi system. Why this matters offshore? This is because you get better control over bandwidth. You can easily integrate with vessel IT networks, firewall and cybersecurity systems, crew welfare and operational traffic separation. Although the antenna size is the same as Gen 2, Gen 3 performance is optimized for stability. It's better handled for vessel movement, wind and weather exposure, and is suitable for permanent or semi-permanent deck installations.
This is the junction box. This is a custom-made junction box that Vivo Asia always supplies with Starlink units. Even with the Gen 2 Starlink units, we used to supply this. It has two fans over here for forced ventilation. So basically one would be blowing in and the other one would be blowing out. And it's made to withstand some rain and not to have any water ingress.
Before we move on to what's inside the junction box, did you know that Starlink Gen 3 uses a highly advanced electronically steered phased array antenna that allows it to maintain stable satellite tracking even while a vessel is moving, improving connectivity consistency in motion and dynamic environments. These antennas provide faster speeds, wider field of view, and better resilience against movement and signal interruptions, making them ideal for maritime and offshore operations. What's inside the junction box?
Typically, we'll have a power supply and a switch. So this switch is a general purpose Moxa switch, which is connected to your own network. And the Starlink power supply and the modem has a special connector that will come and connect to the switch. And that's how you get this Starlink connected to your own network. Vivo Asia supplies these Starlink units to a number of different kinds of vessels, including FPSOs, and this is how we do it.
And this brings us to an end of this episode of the Tech Rundown. If you found this video useful and gained better understanding of the latest Starlink Gen 3 system, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.